Hello, tech enthusiasts. It's been a while, but I'm thrilled to be back on the Technology Geek, your go-to destination for all things tech. After a couple of months away, we're diving right back in with an exciting topic: exotic programming languages. So, if you're ready for a thrilling journey into the unconventional side of coding, buckle up and join me. And hey, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more tech adventures. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Well, strap in, because we're about to unfold the unique and eccentric languages that break the mold. These are not your everyday Python or Java. We're talking about programming languages that might sound like they're from another planet. Let's kick things off with one of the quirkiest members of the exotic family. Our first stop in the realm of exotic programming languages brings us to the fascinating world of esoteric languages. These are not your go-to languages for practical coding, but rather an exploration of creativity and sometimes pure quirkiness. Ever heard of brainfuck or malbolge? No? Well, you're in for a treat. These languages often challenge the conventional, pushing boundaries and sparking curiosity in the minds of coders brave enough to venture into the unknown. Now, let's rewind the clock and delve into the fascinating history of exotic programming languages. Our journey begins with the pioneers who dared to push the boundaries of conventional coding. In the mid-1970s, a duo of computer scientists, Donald R. Woods and James M. Lyon, created Intercal, the compiler language with no pronounceable acronym. It is the very first exotic programming language. It was intentionally designed to be difficult and unconventional, challenging the status quo of programming. Intercal set the stage for a wave of creativity in the world of coding. Meanwhile, on April 1, 2003, the language Whitespace emerged, turning the very fabric of code into a spaced-up line-feed symphony, proving that programming languages could be as creative as they were functional. Whitespace was developed by Edwin Brady and Chris Morris at the University of Durham. Developers of the Kaya and Idris programming languages also contributed in the creation of Whitespace. But why do these exotic languages even exist? It's a valid question. Sometimes, they're created as a form of artistic expression, pushing the limits of what we think is possible in coding. Others are born out of sheer experimentation or to solve niche problems in unconventional ways. Stay tuned as we unravel the stories behind some of the most intriguing exotic languages and the minds that birthed them. As time progressed, so did the exotic language landscape. Creative minds across the globe continued to invent and experiment, giving birth to languages like brainfuck, malbolge, and many more. Each language brought its own unique set of challenges and idiosyncrasies, contributing to the rich tapestry of coding history. These languages may not have become mainstream, but their influence on the coding community and the evolution of programming languages cannot be understated. Beyond their technical aspects, these exotic languages made significant contributions to coding culture. They became more than just tools; they became symbols of creative expression and the relentless pursuit of pushing the coding envelope. The brilliant minds behind these languages, often driven by a sense of humor and adventure, left an indelible mark on the history of programming languages. Before we conclude, let's address a crucial question: why should we care about exotic programming languages? Well, these languages, while quirky and unconventional, play a pivotal role in the broader landscape of coding. They stimulate innovation, encourage out-of-the-box thinking, and challenge developers to approach problem-solving in novel ways. By diving into the world of exotic languages, programmers often enhance their creativity and expand their coding toolkit. It's not just about the code, it's about fostering a mindset of exploration and embracing the unexpected in the ever-evolving realm of technology.